What a value JCDS has been to our children. The value is in many ways. The educational preparation for their life has been good. Loved the character development. The social aspect was really good, and I loved the way that they learned to trust their teachers and the staff here, and it was just a safe place to grow up. I couldn't say enough about how much I love the school. The environment here is warm and welcoming. I never have met a staff member that I didn't love. I felt that the counseling program was very good in many ways, and every time I walk into the office, I feel, and I'm a grandmother now, but every time I walk in, I still feel like I've come home. The first thing I would tell a prospective parent is that you've just got to come over and see the school. The facility is outstanding. As I mentioned, the staff are so good. To see the different opportunities that they have, it's changed so much since my children have been coming here. But to see it now, I just can't imagine it being any better. I think you've just got to see it first and then recognize that you really can't find a better place in Jacksonville to have your children attend.